Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve and today we are doing a makeup. Yes. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys have been amazing. I really appreciate all of you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe guys, subscribe. Yes. Let's now go straight to the video and start the makeup process. Enjoy guys. So now we are going to start with the eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I use this LA Girl concealer here to clean the brows. Then I use this eye pencil, and your pencil has to be sharp, very sharp guys. Then I have a spoolie brush here, then an angled brush. So this is what we are going to use, and I've already put some here. So let's do the eyebrows guys. And also before I do my eyebrows, I always do the gel. This is the Eco Styler gel, this one that we use for the hair. So I'll just do some gel, just a little bit of it. Yeah, and comb your eyebrows like so. You can see every stroke of eyebrows, then you can just do like so. At least now you'll have a guide on how to draw your eyebrows. So this is very important guys. After that, we'll draw the line below. Then the line above. And boom, you fill in the brows. Just do it lightly so that the eyebrows can be as natural as possible guys. Again, you don't want your eyebrows to be dramatic, so this is how I do them. Now it's time to clean up my eyebrows, and yeah, I'll be using the same concealer that I told you about. This is the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. So guys, I'm done with the eyebrows, as you can see. Ooh, I love them. So next I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'm using this palette here. It's called Maridadi palette from Reina Beauty. Now I'll go ahead and conceal my eyelid. So I'll be using the same LA Girl concealer but in the shade beige. So beige is a bit lighter than fawn. Then blend nicely.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right.
And do the same on this other side. After that, I'm going to transition with this shade here.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So guys, I'm doing one eye on camera and the other one off camera. So now after the transition, now I'm going to do this cut crease here, and I'm using the same concealer that I used, guys.
I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
Then after this process, I'm going to use this shade here. So it's kind of gold, yellow gold. So that's what I'll use on my inner corner. Then in between these two shades, the transition and this yellow gold, I'll be using just a tint of orange here. So let's do that. I'll be using this orange here.
We were on the run, rocking.
Always make sure you blend in so well. And now at the end, this is the same transition that I used. This is what I will finish with. So I'll take the same brush that I used on my transition to finish the look.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time.
So guys, that's how you blend an eyeshadow. That is a colored eyeshadow. So let's do the eyeliner now. And another tip is always make sure there are no harsh lines. So blend and blend well. No harsh lines, guys. For the eyeliner, I'm using this LA Girl eyeliner. Then I'll be using this mascara here. This is the Divas Cosmetics mascara. Guys, we are done with the eye makeup. So I'll go ahead and do my foundation, and for the foundation I'll be using this Divas Cosmetics foundation, this one here in the shade Caramel. So I had already applied my primer, so I love doing my primer just right after my moisturizer. So I did that earlier, so I won't be repeating that process again. So I'll go ahead and apply my foundation.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
This foundation is bomb, guys. It gives you a smooth, flawless finish, and this is what I was looking for. So let's go ahead and conceal. So I'll be doing the highlight now, and I'll be using the LA Girl concealer in the shade beige.
For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down?
So guys, after the concealer, I'm going to use setting powder, and I'm using Wet n Wild setting powder. So I'm going to set all the places that I highlighted. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. Always tap in, then remove the excess. You can remove the excess by blowing or just doing like so.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so
After the setting powder, now I'm going to finish the look with this Divas Cosmetics powder. This is the finishing powder. Yeah, so let's do that. This blends everything so well.
is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found.
And to contour, I'll just contour a little bit, and I'm going to use this LA Pro.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online.
I'll go ahead and set this makeup. So I'll be using this Maybelline. Yes, this Maybelline makeup setting spray. Then after that, I'll finish the look with my lashes. I'll be doing the lashes off camera, guys, so I'll show you the results after, because I don't want to take so much time doing that. I have a separate video of how I do my lashes, so I'll do that off camera. For the blush, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette that I used before, and I'm going to use this shade here, just a little bit of it, and the same on this other side. Then for the highlight, I'm going to use this highlighter from J-Cut. So this is how it is. So I'm going to use the fan brush to do that. Just do it at the edge and not too much. Yeah, just at the edge of your cheekbone.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
For the lips, I'll be using a Divas Cosmetics lippy here. Yeah, I'll be using a nude. This is the nude shade. So I will outline with this eyeliner here.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to stop.
Then do the nude.
Embrace the love we found for you and our sea.
Then I will also be adding some gloss on top. And this is how the lips look like after the gloss. Whoa, I love it. So I love the look, guys. See that? So let me make my hair and come back, yes, to show you the final look. So guys, this is my final look after styling my hair. So guys, let me know what you think about this makeup look. See you guys on the next one. Bye.